Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I filmed anything. If you're here watching this, thank you so much for sticking around. But today I'm gonna be doing my makeup for you guys. I'm so excited. It has been a long time and my skin is finally clearing up. Like, I had a rough time with it and it's doing okay right now. So I started off by pinning my hair back. I don't know if I'm gonna even leave it like this or what we're gonna do with the hair. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Also, I do have lash extensions, which are freaking amazing. Like, they just look so beautiful. First thing I'm gonna go in with is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost serum. It's really cool. It has like little balls inside, if you guys can see. Some good stuff. It really makes me feel like very moisturized. And it doesn't break me out because, oh my god, what was I using last time? I've been using a hydrating water gel, and although it's nice and everything, it just really, like, my skin is very sensitive. I can almost not put anything like acidy or anything. Like, as you guys know, I do facials for a living, or I'm an esthetician, and all that stuff hates me. So yeah, I've just been really taking my vitamins, drinking water, going to the gym. I've been doing a lot just in order to get my face looking good, and I feel like I'm looking good compared to. So I was breaking out a lot on my chin and everywhere, just everywhere, and we're good for now. I honestly didn't want to film any videos because the makeup that I'm using is probably outdated, nothing new. Some of it's new, but mainly nothing new. So it's kind of, I just gotta do it, you know? Like, I guess what I'm trying to say is I hope you're not like waiting for me to pull out these brand new products because they're old. But I'm gonna be going in with this foundation. This is the Flora. This is the Flora foundation, guys. The Flower foundation, and I'm in the shade Nude. And I mix it. I've been doing this foundation cocktail and it works amazing. This is actually new, the Maybelline Dream Cover foundation. I have mine in the shade Warm Nude, so I mixed that with the Flower. And I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Beauty Blender, so I'm just going to fast forward through that because you probably don't have time. So I'm just going to dot this, even though it might make me break out because, like I said, I'm very sensitive. Ugh, hold on. Ugh, I'm just going to pin all my hair back like that. Usually I have to go in for more pumps because, I don't know, I guess I do use more of this foundation. But kind of over the L'Oreal True Match. If you've watched previous videos, that used to be like my holy grail, which I really like the way it feels, but this combination, I don't know, guys, like, you should try it. I just really love like the dewy look on my skin. It just looks good. Although I do feel like this like breaks up during the day, so if you're gonna be wearing it for like a lot of hours, I don't suggest it. And I just took 2 more pumps because I guess it's so light coverage that I want. I just keep on building, you know? I like to leave my nose area last because it bugs me that it just breaks up around there, so. It'll probably be a real simple look because since I have lash extensions, it's really hard. I don't like to mess with my shadows so much, and my eyeliner. I have not worn eyeliner since I got them, so we will see when we get there. So I'm going into with my favorite concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Go ahead and put it everywhere I normally put concealer, in all the concealing areas.
Triangles, even though that's not what it's looking like. Then I just go into my forehead, over my nose.
This is the first time that I'm trying to outline my jaw using concealer. I saw somebody do it on Instagram, and that's like one thing I never do. I always do clean up with powder, but cream. And I'm really gonna try to upload this video today. Somehow, some way, I'm gonna try. So this will probably be very current, guys. If not, tomorrow morning. So, alright, then using my favorite powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10. So to begin with, I only like to bake right underneath my eyes because then I go in with cream contour. I've been loving how cream's been, I love how creams look. So I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild. I always use this. This is Where's Walnut. And I'm just going to go ahead and contour some areas. Which I have been contouring with different stuff as well. But I'm just going to use this today. To go under my nose like that. Like, I have not updated you guys on my life at all. I kind of want to do an update video. Let me know if you're interested. I don't think my life's that interesting, to be honest. Like, I don't want to waste your time. This is the Rimmel Transparent face powder, and I always go in with the Eco Tools flat top brush and just set everything. Even the contour, because I still go over with the powder in those areas. I'm going to be using the Kylie. This is pretty new. So Tequila Tan. This is what the shade looks like here. Just like a nice tan shade. It's not too dark. And I want to warm it up a little more. So I'm going to go in with Anastasia's Tawny shade. This is the shade Tawny. I'm just going to take this onto my Hula brush. And you thought I wasn't going to blend it out, but I am, I promise. And I like to go into my favorite contour palette, which is freaking old. This is the Cocoa Contour. I'm going to take medium mocha, just like a little bit. And then I'm just going to go in with my setting powder and clean all of this up. For blush, this is another newer product. This is the Kylie Close to Perfect blush. Yeah, this one here in the shade Close to Perfect. It's like a really, really pretty, subtle, peachy. Like, I don't like over-the-top blushes. But I'm also going to top this with my favorite Luminoso, just to give it like a little sheen. Like, practically out of Milani Luminoso. Let me know if you too, like, this is your favorite blush, but look at it. It's pretty much gone. It is gone. I'm gonna try to salvage like a little bit of it. Highlighter, I don't know if I want to go in. Yeah, this is Wet n Wild, because if I use something else, like you guys have seen me use it in like a million videos. This is the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder in the shade I'm So Lit, and it's really pretty. See how it's really messy, like it gets everywhere. Just use the M510 by Morphe, just a perfect brush. I just dab it into the lid like so and tap off the axis. Do you guys see that? So pretty. I have to put a little above the brows, and the tip of my nose, in the middle of my cupid's bow. I mean on the bridge of my nose, my bad. Put a little on my chin. I usually don't do the chin, but just kind of felt like trying something different. Okay, and now going in with my favorite setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this stuff. It like sets everything so nicely. Let me know if you want to see me do family vlogs. Me and my husband are thinking about it, of just vlogging like our everyday life. I don't know, it's kind of a hard decision. I think it'd be interesting because I guess the difference in our family is that it was me and my daughter for a long time, and then he had custody of his 2 kids, and so now when we join families, I'm obviously not their biological mother, but maybe we thought it'd be a little cool to like give y'all a look inside our life if you want. It's not glamorous, it's not that fun. Maybe like a weekly vlog, I don't know. But he's down. If you guys want to see his vlog, let me know, please. This is the really hard part. I'm gonna go with a very neutral eye, nothing major. Place this all over my lids. Like, I seriously have mono lids enough that you won't even be able to see if I decided to apply shadow anyway. So I'm just gonna place it and then just blend it out with my sponge. Trying to avoid those beautiful lashes. I've been getting lash extensions from a girl that works next door to me. She's also a lash artist and her name is Andrea Montes, and I'm gonna be linking her down below so you guys can go check out her channel. She's amazing, beautiful, and she does really good lashes. So she's my lash lady, so I'm gonna go ahead and link her so you guys can check her out. And if you can, subscribe to her channel and let her know that I sent you. It'd be really cool because she does watch my channel. I don't even know who watches my channel anymore, to be honest. Like, are you guys still here? I'm just kidding. I know you guys like are pretty loyal. Like, a lot of you. What are we gonna do for the eyes? But yeah, go check out her channel. Tell her I sent you. Yeah, we want to collab, so let us know what video we should do, if we should do our makeup together, I don't know, something. So let me know, go let her know, and tell her to get on to making videos, because I think palette, this is the Morphe 9i or 91, I don't know. So I'm just gonna go in with some simple brown shades today. Yeah, and then we're gonna do a dark lip, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna go in with Classic, just like a nude shade, very nude. And I'm just gonna pop this into the crease. It's almost like my skin shade, my skin tone. Whoa, nothing crazy. I couldn't see if I wanted to be honest, like to put eyeliner on. I can't see. And then I'm gonna go in with the one. It's just a really nice light brown shade. It reminds me of Soft Brown from MAC. It's just really pretty. So if you're here for like an amazing eyeshadow tutorial, you're in the wrong video. And I'm also thinking about doing Halloween videos. Let me know if you want to see some Halloween looks. Like, I feel like I'm craving to do something fun, creative, you know? Hopefully, we'll see. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a very neutral eye, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more of this one here first. Yeah, we're gonna do just a simple eye, simple brown eye with a real nice orange lip to match my dress. I'm gonna go in with the same shade, the one, onto the lower lash line. Pop this under, blend it out, smoke it out. I'm going to go in with Damn, and I'm going to go into the outer corner a little bit to darken it up a little. I wasn't kidding when I said like just a plain eye. I'm going to go in with Damn, just like on the outer corner. mostly like to the middle and outer corner. Oh, almost went into my eyeball. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Bow Down. It's like a charcoaly black. It's almost like a brown black. Hard to describe. I'm going to go on the very outer corner. I just feel I have really small eyes, so you don't want to go too dark. It'll get real dark real fast. I'm going to go in with my lipstick. This is in the shade Globetrotter. It's a really pretty fiery orange red. And it's probably like a little too matchy for my dress, but we're not caring right now. I'm going to add some mascara and then some nude eyeliner to my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Nude Pencil. I'm going to go in with this really old Infallible. It's like a pretty yellowy shade. It's just a highlighty color. And there's the finished look. The only thing I do feel like it is a little light down here, but that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. Like I said, I tried the concealer for the first time and it still works. I like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that it reminds you every time I upload a new video like this one. And that's it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.